Hi, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant. This is the Options Live Trading Room Trade of the Day for Tuesday, July 16th, 2013. As you can see, today we've had some activity in Google. It is down right now about $8, but earlier in the day we gapped up at the open and then prices proceeded to fall from there. We tried to get in our normal cascade trade, but this fell very quickly on the second bar, so we thought it was not necessarily a good idea to try to get in this in fair value. So prices continued to fall, and then we watched the MQ momentum histogram. We see we had a strong upside momentum and then strong downside momentum, and then we had this pattern form basically for the next 16 minutes. It coincided with this wedge pattern formation with lower highs and higher lows. We had some upside momentum with barely any downside momentum, all the way up until this point right here when we approach the apex. Normally a wedge pattern like this is a continuation pattern and prices were going to fall through the downside. We actually had the idea that because prices were not falling, because Google has had such a strong upside momentum over the past week and a half, we thought that this may actually break to the upside. Now, the one thing that tipped us off to that is right here, we actually had two moderately undervalued levels, and in both of those levels, there was almost no downside momentum. At this point right here, we got in with Delta 70 calls, so we took a long position and we were actually rewarded. The prices came down, touched that support level at the open, and then rapidly jumped up. We actually quickly got out of our position. It's significantly overvalued, but because this happened so quickly, we actually sold some of our contracts here and some of our contracts here. We were actually aiming for this position up here near 923. Coincided really closely with the MQ trend dots. So that move from there to there occurred within about three and a half minutes. And for the price per contract that we received, about $70 per contract. And that would have netted our normal position of 10 contracts $700 in profits. Excellent trading, good opportunity. Again, it could have moved against us, but it didn't. It went up, and it stopped about at the level we were expecting it to. Never miss a trade again. Go ahead and click here to subscribe to us on YouTube. We have other Trade of the Day videos also available in options, in futures, and coming soon, Forex and equities. So again, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant, reminding you to keep your options open and your trades profitable.